Today, adventurers, we're going to be checking out EPCOT's new scavenger hunt, the Eggstravaganza 2026 Easter egg hunt. There is so many eggs around World Showcase, and today we're going to try to find all 12 eggs to get a special prize. So with that said, adventurers, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now here at EPCOT, there is the Eggstravaganza 2026 Easter egg hunt, where you can find all sorts of Easter eggs throughout the park, especially around World Showcase, as each of them are themed to many of the characters in Disney movies. And best of all, if you find all the Easter eggs, then you get a prize. The goal is, I have to go first to the Odyssey, since that's where the first Easter egg is. But can we find all of them? Let's find out. And we're now heading into the Odyssey. No, not that Odyssey or the other Odyssey, but EPCOT's Odyssey. And for the most part inside here, I wonder where... Okay, that was not even 30 seconds. We already found the first one. But in here we can find Thumper up on the Odyssey. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually faster than I thought it was going to be. So I think now it's only right we put the sticker on the map. And we're now heading into Mexico. Don't at me, Canada first, people. But we're heading in here, and I thought might try to find an Easter egg, but I think the question is, which one's going to be? Is it this one? Yes, it is. Wait, what's this? Is it Miss Bunny? Oh my goodness. Miss Bunny's up there. And now we have our second Easter egg. So let's put this second sticker on and head over to Norway. I'll always say this. I think this is the best themed Disney park. Sure, you have the front half of EPCOT, but World Showcase is so immersive. But now we're in Norway, and instead of this being just one area, we now have to try and see if the egg is inside one of the shops, maybe. Alright, now back here. I still haven't found that egg, which now I'm really thinking, where is it? Obviously it won't be anywhere like this area. I just can't find it, you know. I think it's to the point where she is that it's an Oswald egg. So anyways, we just found the Oswald egg, so that's good news for us. So now with egg number 3 down, let's go ahead and head into China up next, where we now have to try to see which one's going to be. Now, heading into China, I feel like I've seen this egg before, and in fact, there's an egg right now. There is a Judy Hopps Easter egg here in China Pavilion, where we can see the Judy Hopps egg, and now it's gonna be time we get our Judy Hopps sticker on the map. Germany is gonna be a bit tricky, since there's a lot of places that they could realistically put an Easter egg here. But at the same time too, I'm not 100% on where it is, so we're going to go ahead and try to see where it is. And I think I know where it is now. Because nearby Beer Garden Restaurant, there is a Skippy Easter egg from above, where we can see Skippy up there. And I gotta say, pretty cool to see a Skippy Easter egg. But now we'll have to put the sticker on here, and we have 5 Easter eggs here now. But now, with all that aside, let's go ahead and head inside Italy. We're gonna try and find Easter egg here in Italy. I don't know which one's going to be. I think we may possibly see something like maybe Alakazam or Jackalope, though. Okay, I'm actually generally confused. Wait, where? There it is. There it is. There is a Jackalope Easter egg nearby the river here. And I gotta say, looks cool, though it was a bit hard to try and find. But I think now, let's put Jackalope sticker on here and try to find an American Venture egg. And we're now here in American Venture. We have to find ourselves an Easter egg now. But before we get to that, I want to quickly highlight this, since there was a nice Mickey and Minnie flower shaped art piece in front of the theater, and I thought it looked really nice. But now I think we have to go ahead and find ourselves an Easter egg. Okay, never mind. I thought it was actually around here somewhere, but not. So next door to Regal Eagle Smokehouse, there's a Bean Bunny Easter egg just nearby the restaurant, and that is now our 7th Easter egg. It's gonna be time we head over to the next Easter egg in Japan. And we're now here in Japan. Now it's gonna be time we head into here to try and find our next Easter egg. And it's actually super easy here since we have a Ducky and Bunny Easter egg over there nearby this temple. And now that is our next Easter egg. And we're now here inside Morocco. It's going to be a bit of a challenge now since this is more small. Maybe we might find it very soon. I thought it was going to be a bit of a challenge finding Ducky and Bunny egg, but that was easy though. Well, I found the next Easter egg, with this being an Alakazam egg. Now, it is nearby this restaurant here in Morocco, where you can see Alakazam egg on top. And now, luckily, that is our next egg, so let's go ahead and find the France egg this time. And we're now heading into France. So I don't know where the next Easter egg is. However, let's go find it. Actually, never mind, I think I found it. It's actually inside this garden over here. I can see the ears, and we see in here it's going to be a rabbit Easter egg from Winnie the Pooh. Look how cool it is. I feel like for a rabbit, it's definitely unexpected, but very interesting to see. And I think now it's going to be time we put the rabbit sticker on here and head over to United Kingdom. And we're now trying to find our next Easter egg, though I'm trying to see where the next one is. Now, I know in Morocco I said how small that whole area is, but I forget that Morocco is actually a bit bigger than United Kingdom, since United Kingdom is a small pavilion. But I'm not talking about that. I'm now kind of wondering where the egg even is, since we got 2 more. We have a white rabbit and a March hare egg to find. And good news, we found the white rabbit Easter egg located nearby the fish and chip shop, so that's pretty good to see. But now that means we now have to find the March hare in Canada, though where is it? Let's find it. And we're now here in Canada, the last country here where we have to find a March hare egg. But the question is, where even is a March hare egg? I think in order to find this last one, we really have to kind of trust ourselves and hope for the best, really. Alright, so I think after searching for here, it's not anywhere here. So let's check up the castle, because last but not least, we have the March hare Easter egg nearby the castle. And I gotta say, finally completed this whole Easter egg hunt, but now let's go ahead and get our prize. Because after Easter egg hunt, you can get yourself a prize anywhere at Creation Shop, Disney Traders, Gateway Gifts, or World Travel at International Gateway for keepsake. And we have our prize here with a Mickey Mouse egg keepsake. I don't know if you can actually put anything inside the keepsake, though. Pretty cool to see the Mickey Mouse keepsake right here. And I think for now, we're going to head and call it a day here at EPCOT, since that's pretty much it with the Easter egg hunt. I had such a fun time going around World Showcase, seeing all the eggs, and most importantly, having a fun day. With that said, adventurers, let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite Easter egg? I'd love to hear it. There's going to be another video in the future where I'm going to be checking out all the Easter eggs around each of the 3 Disney hotels. So subscribe for more if you want more videos like this. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Easter egg. I would love to hear it. As always, till next time, adventurers, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.